clothes you need and want. Everything starts at $24.99 on price. Orders over $40 get free shipping. You can't beat it anywhere. Quality, spectacular, graphics, amazing. Link in bio, link on the screen, link is everywhere. Let's get right into the video. I have this amazing mirror material in Blender. Render view, looks great. Viewport shading, But anyways, first thing I will do is delete this material so I can show you how to make it. Next step, create a new material. Name it accordingly. So I'm going to name this Mirror 1. So we have a mirror material, and it's organized. Next step, you can change the color to whatever you want, but I'm going to leave mine as white. Take the metallic, turn that all the way up. Take the specular, turn that all the way up. Roughness, all the way down. Sheen, I'm going to put that at 0.5. And the clear coat at 0.75. Now look at that. We have a perfect mirror material. And in render view, looks amazing. That is the tutorial. Thank you so much. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you have any comments and concerns, slide those in the comments. If you feel like subscribing, please subscribe. Thank you so much. You have a great day.